Hey everyone, welcome back to Windows Wednesday. Today's quick tip, how to turn on and off Bluetooth in Windows 11. It's super simple, so let's get started. There's two different ways we can turn Bluetooth on or off. The first way is down at the bottom right hand corner at the network and volume icon right here. We're going to click on it and then we're going to go to the Bluetooth. We can either click it off or click it back on. And we can even see what we're connecting to if we click into it. The other way to set up Bluetooth on Windows 11 is to go to the Start menu by either clicking the Start button or hitting the Windows key and then going to Settings and then going to Bluetooth and Devices, and you can either hit Bluetooth off or on right here and connect to your devices here, either ones you already have set up or clicking a new device to set up. And if you don't see Bluetooth at all, you might not have Bluetooth on your computer, or a driver might not be installed. Check Device Manager if you want to dig deeper, but for most people, this just works. And that's it. Super easy, whether you're pairing a headset or just saving battery. Now you know how to control Bluetooth in Windows 11. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching and see you next Wednesday.